Hi everyone, this is course number 2. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what is our mission. So what do you do by learning the processing language? So we are going to make some game. So do you know this game? This game is called Breakout. So you have to break all the bricks to break out the jail, right? So this is really popular game. As I told you, our mission is to make the breakout game with processing language. So this is the processing code which you have to learn line by line from now on. So in total, the line is less than 120. So it's about 120 lines. If you run this code, you can see this screen. This is just black and white, but breakout game, right? So you can draw the ball, you can move the ball, you can bounce the ball with a racket, and you can move the racket with a mouse control, and you can break the bricks with a ball too. This is totally, breakout game. So, in summary, so what you have to know to make this breakout game? So, line by line, step by step, you have to draw the ball at first, right? And you have to move the ball. And you have to make the ball bounce at the boundaries too. And you have to draw bricks, and you have to draw racket too. And you have to detect the collision between the ball and bricks. That's all. So we are going to make the breakout game in this sequence. So in the next class, you have to know how to draw the ball using the processing language. Okay? And then see you next time. Bye.